G'day, Metal Chef here, coming at you with a breakfast special. This one's a little boozy. If you're a fan of hot, sweet breakfast, I'm not, but I'm going to make it for you because you probably are. This is the one for you. Today I'm going to make some cinnamon French fruit toast. All you need is 4 eggs, some cinnamon, obviously, vanilla, milk, and some raisin toast. Raisin bread, it's not quite toast yet. We'll mix it all together. Go and cook it up. We'll have breakfast in no time. First things first, we're going to mix our 4 eggs. I'm not going to mix them, I'm cracking. Half a cup of milk. About a teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, mix it all together. Probably don't do that. Be a bit more careful. Alright, once you've whisked all your ingredients together, it's nice to combine. Just soak your bread. You want to soak it for a couple of minutes each side. So just put it in there, soak your bread, and while you're doing that, go and get your pan hot. Right, get your pan off without medium heat. Too hot, obviously you're just going to burn the outside, not the inside. Too cold, and it'll just stick to the pan. Melt some butter, and with your fruit toast. Alright, it's been sizzling away for a couple of minutes. Should be nice and golden on the bottom. Beautiful. Flip it over. Cook it for another couple of minutes, and then it's done. Righto, flip them out onto your board. Get rid of your pan. Cut. Beautiful. Get a little bit of your maple syrup. Then just arrange it however you want. Beautiful. A little bit more maple syrup over the top. Okay, put a little sprinkle bit of cinnamon sugar on there. What is cinnamon sugar? It's cinnamon and sugar. I'm not going to teach you how to make it. Right, sprinkle a generous amount of that. Like a few little berries. Get all fancy. Chef it up. Beautiful. French fruit toast.